Hello you guys! So I feel like this vlog is gonna be all over the place. I didn't really vlog anything yesterday, but yesterday was crazy, you guys. So I live in the area where Don't Worry Darling is being filmed. If you guys haven't heard of the movie coming up, it's starring Harry Styles, Olivia Wilde, Florence. It looks like it's gonna be such an amazing film. So yesterday we actually went to the open set. They were super nice. They let us just stand there and just watch. Obviously you have to be respectful and keep your distance and not be too loud as they are working, they're trying to do their job. Yesterday we had a little bit of a time crunch, and once we got there they were basically pretty much almost done filming, but the security guard and everyone else there were super nice and informative, and they told us that they would be there till Sunday. Today's Thursday, so today we are going. Hopefully if things line into place, we will be able to see at least Florence or Harry Styles. Yeah, Harry Styles is here, and if I don't see him, I'm gonna cry. But I will take you guys along with me today just to vlog. It's gonna be a super exciting vlog. Okay, I'm gonna finish getting ready and then we will go. This is my outfit. I thought something super casual and simple fit in. This is my outfit of the day. I think this top is from Zaful. I'm not sure. And then my pants. They're super cute tie-dye sweatpants, and surprisingly they're from Marshalls. Don't sleep on Marshalls, you guys. And then as you guys saw, I did my hair in like braids because my hair needs to be washed. We just finished eating. We are about to head out. I'm just gonna grab my bag. I'm ready. Let's go. Me? How do I look? All right. So we are on our way to the filming location. We're hoping that they're still there and there's like some action, because we will literally stay there all day until we see him. We thought it would be such a cool opportunity to see them, because when has Harry Styles ever filmed a movie where we live? As I said, everyone was respectful, everyone was being quiet, and obviously it's still COVID, so everyone was social distancing. We were pretty much far away from anyone there because it's such like a big set. Hi. Oh, and she brought Harry. She's a little creep, but
stop talking.
She's a little creepo.
What do you mean? He's right here. How am I?
Oh, right. He's right here.
He's just sitting there.
These are some of the cars that they're using. There's the police. They're filming all the way down there and then on the street over there. So they're all the way over there and they're filming. You can see the camera, but that's the roundabout that they're filming at. Yesterday we were standing where they were standing, and now we have to stand a little further back. There were 3 guys in a suit, which I'm guessing are one of the characters, but we're not sure who. See, this is the camera over there that's moving.
Oh yeah, I've got the technical.
Was that Harry?
I don't know.
We might have seen Harry.
Wait, who are we here to see again? You have to go with us. We're gonna do the vlog. You don't do that.
Can I just say, everyone's fits who are here to see Harry right now. There's more people than yesterday, but everyone's fit is just like... I don't know if you guys can see him, but he's in the silver car.
Wait, who is that? Is he one of the Kardashians? Wait, you look so good. Oh my god, you look so good. Hey. Nicole, where are you? I'm literally freezing out. so ugly. I hate her. Good.
Okay, I don't know if you guys just saw, but we just saw Harry Styles. He was filming and he was in the silver car. We freaked the freak out. I got 2 good clips and I don't know how long we're gonna stay here. He was filming, so obviously he couldn't say hi and stuff, but he was right there. We don't want to be over there because that is way too many people.
Corona.
I had a feeling it doubled from last night. Last night there was not, probably half. We are still here. We're sitting. We've been here for about almost 2 hours. Not much is happening. We're just chilling. I really have to pee, but I'm gonna hold it.
Like, I mean, I know that's a thing, but I didn't know, like, it comes with, like, a...
Oh, what are they doing? What are they doing? What are they doing?
Oh, this whole thing? Recently too?
So if you guys saw the clips, he passed by and they were doing a wider shot, so we had to go a little bit further away. He acknowledged us. We're practically friends now. So it is now 4:51 p.m. We were here for almost 5 hours. Good job, everyone. You did good. Devay's not satisfied.
I'm freaking out still.
Hey guys, I look crazy right now. It is the next day. I'm gonna go run some errands with my little sister. I have to get stuff done today because the past 2 days we've been trying to see Harry Styles, and yesterday I feel a little bit accomplished because we got to see him. Okay, I'm gonna pick out some jewelry. It's not even that cold outside. I have been liking my large hoops lately. I don't know what I did yesterday, but this second piercing is starting to hurt really bad. I think it's just how I slept or something because I had to put ice on it. Okay, I changed my outfit. I like this really big denim jacket. It's a really oversized one. And then Hazel bought me Mac Miller pins. Got sunglasses. We're gonna run some errands and then I'll be back home to pick up my little sister. I forgot my sunglasses.
You forgot?
Yeah. Okay.
Ah, Danica.
So things failed, but I'm gonna try someplace else. I can't really say it because I don't know if Hazel's watching this. At least we got some good Instagram pictures because I've been wanting to take Instagram pictures there for a while. We took some cute ones. Oh, Jesus. What the heck? We took some cute pics with my baggy outfit today. So I'm here running errands with Devay. I could be home doing stuff right now. Rude. I'm gonna make myself some matcha when we get home. I've been craving matcha. Hi guys, it's been a couple days later and I look really bad. But it's Sunday, It's December 6th. I just got back from Trader Joe's and Target. I just wanted to get a couple things, but I ended up getting more than a couple things. So let me do a haul. I got stuff from Trader Joe's. Their bag is so cute. I love it. So the first thing I got from Trader Joe's are these dark chocolate covered minty mallows. They're light fluffy peppermint marshmallows. and they just have dark chocolate on them. They were right there in front of me and I was like, let's just try it. And it looks so good. Let's try her out. Ooh, cute. This is what they look like. That's so pepperminty. They're marshmallows. But it's really good if you like peppermint. And then I got some oat milk. I haven't had their oat milk in a while, and I really want to see how this froths. And then I also got this organic spicy pozole. My Mexican boyfriend probably is embarrassed of me. It's a vegan twist on a classic soup with hominy, pinto beans, and green chilies. So I really wanted to try it. And last two things I got are these vegan cookies. They're the speculoos cookies. Why am I talking weird today? And they're vegan. They're like a caramelized cinnamon cookie, and they're Belgian cookies. Shout out to my boyfriend's sister, Erica, for introducing these to me because they're so good. Now stuff from Target. I got a couple stocking stuffers, like candy and stuff for my sisters, but I'm obviously not going to show that. They might be watching. Probably not. They hate me. The first thing I got are earrings. I've been eyeing these earrings online and I've never seen them in stores. So all of a sudden, today I saw them. They're literally just $8. They are like super chunky gold hoops. Meyer's hand soap. This is in Snow Day. It smells so good. I also got a non-dairy almond milk whipped cream, and I wanted to try this probiotic dairy-free yogurt. This is in mango. And then I also got some Greek yogurt. This is a Chobani Flip, and this is the s'mores one. If you know me, I love s'mores, so I've never tried it. And lastly is just some bread. This is my favorite bread. This is the Dave's Killer whole grains and seeds bread. But I think that's everything that I have to show you. Everything else is like stocking stuffers for my sisters again. Okay, let's sit down because this is a serious talk. I'm gonna turn on the Christmas lights for this. Ta-da! I kind of feel like I have to address some things because I know people have been talking online, and my sister has shown me TikToks and like Instagram and Twitter accounts about the Dear Darling movie set. If you guys didn't hear what I said in the beginning of us being at the movie set of Don't Worry Darling of Harry Styles and Florence and Chris Pine and Olivia and all of them, I live in the area where they are filming. And you guys, where I live, nobody makes these crazy movies. Some people were saying that fans who are coming to the movie set were interrupting, we're being very disruptive, and that we're in the middle of a pandemic and that we're not social distancing. And I do have to explain something. My sisters and I are very cautious. From the beginning and until now and forever, we're always going to be cautious. When we first went to the movie set, you guys, we are so far away from the crew members. We're so far away from the actors. Obviously, there are a couple fans, as you guys saw in the clips, but my sisters and I, we were trying so hard to stay away from them. And honestly, everyone was wearing masks, and I was so happy about that. Even if it was outside, which I'm so glad, because that means everyone is cautious and everyone is respectful and responsible. I don't know if I even vlogged that, but we saw Florence for like a tiny bit. She was like going into the van and we all just waved hi to her. And just understand that everyone is trying to do the best that they can to live with their lives and be healthy and be safe. In no way were me and my sisters like trying to be reckless or be irresponsible. We just thought it was a one-in-a-lifetime chance to see Harry Styles, and we took it and we saw him. There's just so much stuff here. Okay, these are not the boxes that you guys will be receiving them in, but I really needed to separate them, so I used these two boxes. So for the giveaway, there will be 2 winners. This is sadly not international. It's just harder to send out packages that way. So it will be for the US only. I'm so sorry. So it will end on December 19th. You have to be subscribed to my YouTube channel. You have to follow me on Instagram. I want the 2 people to win this to be those who's actually been following me or who does follow me and support me and watch me, because it's for them, it's for you guys. For YouTube, just comment down below that you're gonna enter the giveaway and comment your Instagram handle. And for Instagram, you obviously again have to be following me, but make sure your account is public. And then the last thing you have to do is go to this Instagram post about the giveaway and then comment you tagging 3 of your friends in the comments of that post so that you guys are sharing the giveaway. I'm just gonna show you guys a clip of what the first box has. Again, everything is all beauty. There's hair care, skincare, and makeup. And then this is what the second box has. Again, pretty much the same thing, but obviously different products. I feel like a lot of you guys would really love what's inside of these, so I'm so excited. So those are all of the products that you guys will be winning. If you want to see all of the rules and everything, it's all in the description down below so that you guys are able to see that you entered correctly. But thank you so much for watching this vlog. You guys are amazing. But again, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you liked this video. You guys are awesome. Stay safe always. Love you. Bye.